Good morning, Tigers. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Let's say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will pause for a moment of silence. Now we will say our school pledge. At all times, I will do my best to be respectful, responsible, produce quality work, follow all school rules, and help others achieve their goals for an excellent school year. We have some birthdays to celebrate today and over the weekend. Today is Zaire Langley in 5th grade. Happy birthday, Zaire. And on Sunday, we have Emerson Williams in 4th grade. Happy birthday, Emerson. We miss you both. Announcements. Have a great weekend. And don't forget, students, your top secret mission. Talk to your parents about a Class Dojo message I sent out earlier this week. All right. This is the last day of our humor focus for positivity project. So this is the last joke you have to suffer through. What did the ocean say to the pirate? Nothing. It just waved. Okay, Tigers, today as you continue your online work or your work with your paper packet, remember your Tiger pause. Be prepared, be accepting and respectful, be willing to learn, and be safe. Have a fantastic Friday, Tigers. I'll see you again on Monday.